Good morning, cadets. I welcome you back for the computer science class. And in our previous classes, we have seen about right from the Python, the basic structure of a Python program, and then we have seen how we are going to input or how the input is given to the Python program in our previous class. In this class, we'll discuss how to get the printout or how to get the output using print statement. Okay, that what we will discuss today. This is what the syntax. Python allows to display output using print. Remember, print is a reserved word, that is a keyword. Print with parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, the syntax is the star object into square bracket. Separator, you can use any string, and also you can use any string. Basically, anything that we use in the square bracket is an optional. Okay, only print a star object is enough. And if you want to print more than one values, that also we have given here in the example. Here, star object means one or multiple comma separated objects or messages to be printed. It converts everything, whatever you give in the star object means in string before printing. Let us see the examples of print statement. Now, if I give a print into inverted quotes welcome, it will print welcome. Similarly, if I print in bracket 100, it will print 100 as a string. That's why star object means what it says, the everything it will convert it into string. I will also show you while printing in our Python ideally. So even if you print 100, it will not print 100, it will print 100 within the quotes. Let us see that. Suppose age equal to 20 here, you have taken a variable. Now your age is comma age, means your age is given in double quote. Therefore it prints as it is as a message, and the value of age is 20. That we'll see. Now example 4. Here you can see int input enter radius, means whatever the radius value you are entering, it will be converted into integer due to the int function. So area of circle is the message comma 3.14 r into r, pi r square. Similarly, a message is given as Amar Akbar Anthony. Output will be as it is, it will print. Space will be automatically inserted between the different values as separator, because the default value of separator parameter is space. Now if you want to give a particular separator like star star, here it is given comma separator star star, means after every value rather than a blank you separate with star star. This also we will see in our Python examples. Okay. By default, each print statement appends a new line character after the printed value. The default value of the end separator parameter is /n. For example, if you give learning Python and developed by Guido van Rossum in two separate lines, so automatically here the print statement will leave that line and it will print in the next line. We can change the value of end to any other values, not necessarily only it should be a blank. You can also give some symbol. So if you give like this, see here the separator is not /n, the separator is this, and it is developed by so and so, it will print. Now let us see some of the programs, then we will do some exercises. Open a new script file and type the following code. Num1, enter the number 1 of integer type, enter 2 of integer type, num3 equal to num1 plus num2, and the print result is num3. Save and execute by F5 and observe the result. This also we will see and do. Apart from that, we'll try to write these programs. So okay, I'll go back here now. Let us see this, how exactly it is. So I'll go to a Python ideally. Let me execute. How exactly it will be visible here, that I will take here, and this also I will take here, so that we can execute and see. Suppose if I give print as welcome, okay, it will print as welcome. Okay, similarly if I give print 100, okay, it will print as a 100. Suppose if I take age equal to 20 and if I give a message print age is okay, the comma, the value of age. See, it will print age is the value of age. Okay, next example we'll see here. R equal to int input radius. Okay, then okay, R equal to what I have to write? R equal to int input. Input itself is not there, so int input radius. Now it is fine. Suppose I will input the value, let us say 12. Now I will write print area of circle is the value of R, not R. Okay, I have to compute it now before that. Okay, area of circle is, I will write the formula here, pi r square, 3.14 into R into R. Okay, now enter. Area of a circle is, it will print 452 point so and so. Okay, now another separator, if I use here the print, okay, I will give here ABC comma EDF comma PQR. Some 3 strings I have given. Okay, now it will print like this. Instead, if I use a separator, how the separator is used here? Comma, let me use the separator equal to star star into inverted quotes star star. Let us see how it will print now. What is the problem? Okay, I have given 2 closing. Here 2 closing again, only 1 closing. Okay, what is the problem here? Okay, separator means I have to give end. Here I have to give end. Okay, ABC. After every value it should be separated actually, right? The output will be comma separator equal to star star. That is what we have done. The separator equal to if I give single star. Okay. Now if I give here TK, that we'll see exactly how it can be printed. Now this is what after every line it will print. I have told you in place of end anything you can give it. That let us check it. Okay, now here what we'll do is I will start with a new restart shell. Okay, here if I give print SSBJ, then if I give print Karnataka, 2 statements if I give here, both are printing in separate line. Rather, if I give as print SSBJ comma end equal to some at symbol I will give. Okay, after SSBJ at is printed, right? Understood? So it is not necessary that you should give a blank only, any symbol also you can insert. That is what the meaning there. Now let us do this type of programs now. After that we will see some list of programs to be executed. So first let us see this. Okay, I will take this program straight away here in my new Python ideally. Oh, why it is taken? Okay, it is not taken. Let me type it. A very simple program to add to given numbers. Okay, very simple. Let me take n1 equal to int input enter value of n1, let us give. Similarly into int input enter value of n2. Okay, let me take n3 equal to n1 plus n2, n1 plus n2. I will write print sum of two numbers is, here is your sum is in n3. Okay, print here. Let us save this. Here I will make one folder, programs of 21, 22, class 11th, sorry, class 12th. Within that, let me give this name of this program program 1. Okay, save, run. Why it is here now? I will run here. Okay, I will click this. Enter value of n 10, value of n 20. The sum of two numbers is 30. It has displayed. Now let me go to another program. I will take here it as a program number 2. Program number 2. Save. What should be my program now? Okay. Calculate the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Okay, 2a plus b na. Okay, okay. Let us write that program. Program to compute and print perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle. Let us say A, enter side of a rectangle. First I will enter the first side, next I will take B, enter another side of a rectangle. Okay, A and B will enter. Now perimeter equal to 2A plus 2B, that is 2 star A plus 2 star B. Therefore perimeter of a rectangle is, the value of perimeter is here, peri. Let us run this. One side I will give 5, another side I will give 10. 30, is it right? 2 into 5 and 2 into 10. 10 plus 20, 30, exactly, absolutely right. Now I will save this as program 3. Now let me see the next. Radius and calculate the area of a circle. Just now I have shown you, but still if you want to compute area of a circle, very simple. You require R, enter. You can make float also, on less float, enter radius, B is not required here. You can calculate area equal to pi. What is the value of pi? 3.142 pi r square, r star r, r square, or r raised to 2 also you can write like this, r raised to 2 also you can write. Area of a circle is, the value of is in area. Let us save and run. Here run. Enter the radius, suppose 5, 78. For simple pi r square, we will give the value of r as 1. Let us see what it will display. 1 square, pi r square. Value of pi only it will display. Now I will store it as a program 4. Let us see what is my next program. Enter the name and marks of 5 subjects and calculate the total and percentage of the student. Enter name and marks. To enter name and marks of 5 subjects. Marks for 5 subjects. Marks for 5 subject of a student. Now multi-line comment. You can give continue and compute total and percentage of marks. Okay. Now what you have to enter now here? Name. Now so okay, name equal to input, enter name of a student, right? Next 5 subjects, so S1 equal to int, or you can give one float also, float enter marks for subject 1. Okay, now I will copy for 5 subject. Copy, paste, 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 paste. So here we will go now. Let us make it at S2 and in message for subject 2. Let us make it as S3 for subject 3. Next, let us make it as S4 subject 4. Next, let us make it as S5 subject 5. 5 subjects entered. Now you compute the total. Total equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5, and percentage marks is equal to total divided by, that comes average, na, total divided by 5 subjects. Okay, so 500 marks, no, so you can say that, okay, percentage, even you can declare it 100 also. Let us see now. We'll run and see. Print total marks. Print total marks at the value of total. Similarly, print percentage of marks, the value in percentage, right? Let us execute and check this. Already saved this, run. Okay, input. What is the error here? The name of the student, float, put enter marks for subject 1. Right. AOL is scanning. What happened here? Okay, I have not given here quotes. That is what the mistake. Closing quote was not given. Okay. Now let us run. Enter name SBS. I will give marks 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. The total is 350 and the percentage is 87.5. Absolutely correct or not? 350 divided by 5 subjects, huh? No, percentage of marks is wrong. 5 sevens are, percentage must be 70. है ना? Let us see what is the mistake here. Divided by 5 I have to make 5 subjects now. Save, run. SBS 50 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. No, it is correct. Percentage marks is 70. Like this, you have to perform the program for these feet and convert into inches, temperature, Fahrenheit to centigrade, and volume of a cylinder. These all exercises you have to do. In my next class, I will start with the data types. Okay. Now what we'll do, till then, we'll stop at this point and we'll continue in my next class. Bye bye.